Hello guys, my name is Madhu and welcome to my channel. This is the 40-second tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. In this tutorial, we're not going to learn anything important, but I just want to talk about a few things that have been troubling me over the past few days. I have been receiving a lot of messages from my subscribers and other viewers on YouTube, and people have told me that they find the content of my tutorial satisfactory, but they also find the audio quality of my tutorials pretty sucky. And I don't blame you guys. I myself am pretty annoyed and fed up of the audio quality and the weird background noise of the computer fan that you hear. And I just want to tell you that I record these tutorials on my laptop, and I just have 3 gigs of physical memory, and my laptop's fan, maybe there are dead mosquitoes or eatables in the fan's compartment. It just makes this weird annoying sound. I don't know what to do about it. I've already started using a different recording software, and this one has an audio enhancement feature that somehow allows me to cut some portions of the noise, but while it does that, it adds an equally weird noise of its own, and that's of a running tap. And I really think I need to get a microphone, and I will get one pretty soon. But I want to thank you guys for the feedback that you've been providing me consistently. It really means a lot to me. And this is not a one-off thing. I'm not just going to record this series and stop. I'll probably upload few more courses, and there are other programming languages that I have been using over the past few years, and I will record and upload more and more tutorials, not just on shell scripting, but on PHP and JavaScript and C and C++ and Python and Perl. Anyway, that's enough talking. If you guys remember, in the 30th tutorial in this course, I told you guys how to compare two numbers. But in that tutorial, if you guys remember, I considered the example that involved integers. I didn't, take any example that involved real numbers. So what I want to tell you guys is that you cannot use the hyphen EQ operator with real numbers. So I have my text editor here, and I've saved this file in the home folder. It's called test and has the extension sh. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to first show you the method in which you would ideally want to compare to real numbers, and that is by using hyphen EQ. And then I will tell you why it won't work, and then I will also show you the right way to do it. Right? So I'm going to first declare and initialize two variables, and I'm going to give them the same value. So I'll create a variable a, and I'll give it the value 4.5, and I'll create another variable b, and I'll give it the same value. Right? So when you use the hyphen EQ operator, then you should, the operator should tell you that both these numbers are same, but it won't do that. Let's just see. So within my square brackets, I'll put the test condition $a hyphen EQ $b, and I'll check the exit status of this test condition. Save this file. I'll bring up my terminal and execute the script, and there you go. It tells me that on line 3, 4.5 is an illegal number, and then it also returns an exit status 2. Now we have just encountered scripts that return exit status 0 and 1, and 0, as I've told you guys, means success, and 1 means failure. Now what does 2 mean? 2 tells you that there is obviously failure because your script is not producing the right output, or the output that you were expecting. But it also tells you that you've done something illegal. You've used maybe an operator or a command or something in an incorrect manner. So that's what the significance of 2 is. And the right way of doing this would be to treat both these numbers as strings, right? And that's how Unix stores them. And it won't really make much of a difference if you would put double quotation marks around these variables in your test condition, and if you would replace this hyphen EQ operator with an equal to symbol. So now what we've done is we've changed a mathematical test condition to a string test condition. So $a will now be treated as a string, that is 4 with a full stop and the symbol 5, and $b will also be treated in pretty much the same way, and the equal to symbol in between will make sure that this test is evaluated as a string test and not as a number test. So let me save this file, and let me clear the screen first, And when I execute the script, you see that we get the exit status 0, which means that the test was executed successfully. So there you go. I mean, this is one thing that skipped my mind while I recorded the tutorial on running checks on numbers. So I thought I should, maybe discuss it in this tutorial. So anyway, once again, I want to thank all my viewers for being so supportive, and I've received really nice comments over the past few weeks, and I'm really encouraged to record more and more tutorials for you people. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where we'll discuss something interesting and important. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.